is a unique dish which is very popular in Punjabi and Bengali cuisine. This is a very popular economical main course found in the street of City of Joy, Kolkata. Sensing an opportunity in Bengalis' love for non-vegetarian food, the dhaba owners began adding non-vegetarian elements such as the basic egg or even minced meat as tarka along with ghee to the dal. This is a version of the story on how the North Indian dal became the torka for Bengali. So today we are going to make a Bengali version of torka, the egg torka, or popularly known as Dim Torka.
Firstly, we'll start by washing the dal properly. In case you haven't soaked the dal overnight, you can put it inside the pressure cooker and let it cook for 5 to 6 whistles. We will cook the ginger and garlic after sauteing of onions as we want to preserve the flavors of them. A unique thing about this dish is that the main flavors come from the natural ingredients and the masalas are added just to balance the dish. Add a dash of hot water. Cook the spices on low heat till the time the raw smell of spices goes off. The fats, butter and ghee opens the flavor of torka and also gives a silky texture to the dish. Cover and cook the eggs on low heat for 5 minutes. The egg will use dal as a medium to poach. Stir the dal a bit to ensure the same is not getting burned on the bottom.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then it would be great if you can subscribe to our channel because that would encourage us a bit more.